Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to uh, set up your 2FA factor authorization on mobile app. Okay, so what you need to do is head over here to the left top side where you see these lines to open up the menu. So let's do that. Tap on here like that. It will open up the side menu. Now what you need to do is click on settings and then to account. And now what you need to do in account settings, we just need to scroll down a little bit and you will see the security section. So with that you will secure your account with additional layer of protection. So we have biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition to log in quickly and securely. And then we have also two-factor authentication, which you can enable. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can set up two-factor authentication. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.